Good morning and welcome to today's daily no nonsense crypto minutes. Today I wanted to talk about a little application called website Dune Analytics. It has a lot of just free analytical data that people create, or you can create yourself if you know how to do that type of thing, just by creating queries and using some of the information and tools that they have in here. I just kind of come in here. I just like to look at some metrics on what's going on in the space. You can kind of just search for different subjects that's going on. They already have some popular things that are going on, some different ones that you may be able to look at to see just different statistics on some of those. So I'm gonna go over some of them, but let's say if you want to know what's going on in the NFT space, you could, NFT platform sales. You can see, where's the most volume at, who has the biggest share of the market right now, the sales that are going on, the average price of sales, what platform has the highest prices. You can see super rare looks like they're, was this as async art was the spot, but now super rare is trending up. I mean, you just get a lot of just different information, artists onboarding, like where the new artists popping up. So I mean, there's a lot of just interesting information that you can find from these different tools. Now I'm gonna go check out this. This is the it's still in NFTs, but let me get out of NFTs. But let's say if I was just looking at all the ones that they have on here, the BTC on Ethereum, that's showing you how much, like, people that have Bitcoin, that they're actually wrapping their Bitcoin on some type of ERC20 Ethereum contract to get ERC20 version of Bitcoin to then do DeFi and earn interest, do all types of stuff in the Ethereum ecosystem. And you kind of just see how many BTC are on Ethereum, have been wrapped into Ethereum now. The BTC ETH market cap percentage, what is the most of what, the balances over time stacked, just different statistics. Like right now you can see that the majority of Bitcoin that's wrapped is actually WBTC wrapped Bitcoin. And just statistics as you can see and kind of just go through, DEX metrics, decentralized exchanges, over 1.35 billion in the last 24 hours. Where's most of the volume coming from? Who has the biggest market share? So Uniswap is dominating. Aggregators versus DEX. DEXs have the majority of the shares, but aggregators, applications that look to try to find the cheapest prices by sifting through a bunch of different DEXs all at the same time. They have a certain percentage of the market, or 10% of the market as well. So you kind of go through and just look at these different things, and I kind of use some of this information to kind of figure out like what is something that I could, a potential trade I could take. So I was looking, aggregators by volume. Ox and Matcha is actually on, still both are ZRX projects or platforms. You can look down here and see ZRX is number 5 here under Uniswap 1inch SushiSwap Balancer. Also over here, DEX by volume, Ox is number 4. So when I look, I take it over to CoinGecko and just search by DeFi projects, and I can see like Uniswap's number 1, Sushi's up here, Compound UMA, Ox is all the way down here, number 21, with a price of $1.45 and a market capitalization of 1.1 billion versus Sushi 2.6. And Uniswap 17 billion and a $32 price, and Sushi about an $18 price. Well, that lets me know that it's almost as not as much volume, but just there's a lot of transactions going on Ox, and between the aggregators and actual DEX. So it's like, but the price is a lot lower. So that could be a play on an undervalued opportunity. So I just allocated some funds. I also looked at the chart to kind of see where it was at, just to see where it was at on the charts. I was looking at this one, and it already had a breakout of this range here, but it's kind of consolidating up here, almost putting in a little looks like a bull flag. I had some money in comp, but I was liking, just looking at, they're both DeFi platforms, but I kind of moved that money over to ZRX because I just like the I looked at those statistics, and I also like this chart a little better than comps. So I just wanted to kind of point out some use cases for Dune Analytics. I mean, you can do a lot on here. Create your own free. They have all different types of stats and statistics you can look up, and it's free. So I just wanted to point this out, show this to you guys. Free tool that could be used to gather data to get an edge when it comes to making decisions on what you're going to trade or what you're going to invest in the crypto space. If you like this vid, please like it. Share, subscribe. If you anything you want us to go over, info@thecryptocraft.com. Have a great day. Take care.